there's a single element and an ionic compound, which makes this a single replacement reaction. Now that we know that it's single replacement, we have to use what's called an activity series to determine will this reaction occur. So you want to look at these two, sodium and magnesium. There's sodium, which is above magnesium. So sodium, because it's higher up on the list, is going to get a smile. And magnesium, because it's lower on the list, we're going to give it a frown. And then I'm going to go ahead and make an arbitrary shape for chloride. We'll just make a circle. Now that we have identified that sodium is higher on the list than magnesium, will this reaction occur? The question is this a happy marriage between these two? And it's not, because that is a very grumpy element there. So that means that this reaction will occur. And what will happen is the smiley and the frowny are going to trade spots. So the magnesium is now going to be here. And then in place of magnesium, we're going to put our sodium, and then the chloride will be there. Do not carry over subscripts, so we're not going to bring the two over to the right-hand side. Now, once you form these, anytime you have a single element, you have to determine, is that single element one of the 7 diatomics? And it is not, so it does not need a little 2 next to it. Finally, here, whenever you form a compound, you have to balance charges. So we're going to go look up sodium and chloride. Sodium has a +1 charge. Chloride has a -1 charge. Therefore, we're going to put a +1 and -1. These will cancel with each other, and now this is going to be the products of this single replacement reaction. Now we're going to balance the coefficients. 1 sodium, 1 sodium, 1 magnesium, 1 magnesium, 2 chlorines, 1 chlorine. So to fix it, I'm going to put a 2 here because that's going to give me 2 times 1 is 2 chlorines. That has modified my sodium. I now have 2 times 1 is 2 sodiums. So we're going to need a 2 here. Final answer is 2 sodiums and magnesium chloride react to form magnesium and 2 sodium chlorides.